Tubob Records.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, without wasting any time, man, let me show you how I made this song called Vuya Ka Mina. Let's just get into it. Let's just get into this shit. Okay, let's go. So one thing that I started out with was the chords, and they go like this. No, easy. So I wanted something to go along with that because it sounds kind of plain right now. I needed something that is going to imitate the tune of my voice on the intro. This is how my voice goes. So I needed something that is going to go well with that. Basically, I just wanted to make this song feel like it's not just me singing and it's not just Sparkle singing, but the beat is also singing with us. You get what I mean? Here's what I did. I added in, it's like an Asian string, and this is how it sounded. I like that a lot. So there's also some certain parts where the guitar was imitating the chorus. It's like the beat is saying, "Baby, Vuya Ka Mina." That was playing in my head. I wanted to sing that, and instead of singing it, I just thought I should make the guitar sing it, And this is how it sounds. Let me play it one more time.
Vuya Ka Mina, Vuya Ka Mina. Yeah, oh baby, Vuya.
He had that and singing along to the chorus. And not only the guitar, to be honest. The string comes back. That's like a trumpet. I really like that a lot. And then for the conclusion or the end or how the song should end, I figured that I should add some ambience, something like this. And for the verse, I feel like I wanted it to sound like someone who's like genuinely begging their special someone back. When you know that you're at fault and you just take this one chance that you have in you to clear things up with your person and ask for another chance. That was the plan. Or that was the idea. Let me just play it.
Muranziwa, I want you back. And Komela Vuya na Slupek. And a minute na Steve Guru, I come back. I when I was Steve Guru na Pungel, Maran Lava go fix and touch you bell. Landing on and Dalungisa, Muranziwa, Nakumisa, Logorisha, so we shall go with time. At this time, I kinda messed up big time. And I can't stop thinking about your next rose for what I text ya. Logan no go man, I'm in a sad. Logan got it gone, I always cry.
Like I needed some background vocals to that, and this is what I ended up with. The bossy vocal, Muranzi wana gumisa. I just made it a little bit more masculine. And then there's this part that I also really like. I miss you every day.
I miss you every day. Somebody should do it now.
Ah man, I really like that part.
I miss you every day. Somebody should do it now.
I miss you every day. It's quite dramatic, but I like it.
I miss you every day. And somebody shake it away now. Look on the good one, I'm in it, wanna sad. Look on got it gone, I always cry. I miss you every day. And somebody shake it away now.
This is what I started out with, and I was not feeling it. I was like, what the hell? But then I came up with this melody. Hear that? It sounds like it's swelling down. Dun, 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 dun. I like that. I like that. This is how I sound. Let me just play my voice without any effects on it.
Yeah. Hey, yeah. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Loko nga vo initagina ni relay.
Let me play Sparkle's voice without any effects on it, just so that you hear how it sounds.
Yeah. Yeah. You shouldn't have done what you did, darling. You told me I'm not the one for you. Yeah. Yeah. You shouldn't have done what you did, darling. You told me I'm not the one for you.
The idea was like to have like some sort of conversation. And then she goes in.
You shouldn't have done what you did, darling.
Then I go
in. You told me I'm not the one for you. I said a lot of things that I didn't mean. Yeah. Baby, I need you back.
So this was the start of the song, and it's also how I ended the song. So I wouldn't call that a verse, I would call that a pre-hook, even though it's not a main hook. Let's go to the main hook now.
Vuya Ka Mina, Vuya Ka Mina. Yeah, oh baby, Vuya.
So let me just start with these backing vocals here on the... This is the first vocal. This is almost the same tune. I just recorded it like 4 times, and then I penned hard left, hard right, and then 50% left, and then 50% right, and so forth. So let me just play them. So that sounds full to me. It sounds rich. Let me just also play these other 2 different tunes that I had. I like how it almost sounds like the first backings, but at the same time it has a different tune to it. It's like it's playful, and I really like that. So I added in another. It's like the same tune, but it's like a down octave. No, it's just a different octave, and this is how it sounds. kungeseva too late. Really like that. And then this is how it is here at the end. I just consolidated them as one thing. So this is how they sound together. And I like that, man. I really love that. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to Sparkle for working with me on the song. Really appreciate you. If you're still here, if you're still watching, I appreciate you so much. Go and check out this song. There's a video that I made to this song. And comment whatever you want to see me do next on the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends.
Keep Tubob records.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Loco nga voy and it again I need relay. You shouldn't have done what you did.